This is the next video in getting Frances going again. We got her blade off and cleaned the crankshaft, you know, with a wire brush, sandpaper, even a pocket knife to get the big stuff off. And now the adapter, if somebody ever needs to work on this again, should come off the way it's supposed to by hand. Let me slip it back on like that. And so now we're gonna mount the blade back on. And I took the other blade off. I'm gonna sharpen it another time. This is another blade that I've already sharpened, and I use a grinding wheel to sharpen my blades. And for me, the most important thing is to get that outer corner sharp, because that's what's going to hit the grass first. So I want to make sure that that's not dull right on that point. Okay, so I make sure that it's sharp right on that corner, and then the rest is too as well. But that's the most important part, because that's going to hit the grass first. So this mower's ready, or this blade's ready to install. And what you want to do is make sure as you go in that the lift portion, which curves up like that, not the sharp edge, the lift portion is up and facing the deck. And these little lips here are down, they're pointed down. You might think it's going to go that way because you say, oh yeah, that's going to grab that adapter really good, really good. No, it's not. It's not designed to do that. It's designed to come down like that. And you want the lift portion going towards the deck, because it's going to throw the grass up towards the deck and mulch it. All right, so now that's looking pretty good. I don't see that the crankshaft is bent. But maybe we can take a look at that just to make sure. So I've got the, I'm going to go ahead and unplug the spark plug. There's no danger of it starting accidentally. I'm going to turn this, and look at it. Oh, that is bent. I'll be darned. Okay, so we're going to have to straighten this crankshaft. I'm pretty sure that's bent. Let's look at it again. In fact, what I'll do is take out the spark plug so it is, so I don't have much compression, and I can turn that blade a little easier. Let me get my correct wrench here. So I'm going to take the spark plug out. Second to get this out of here. I've checked the spark plug already and installed it, and was thinking that maybe this crankshaft is okay, but it's bent. I didn't think it would be because the flywheel key was only bumped, it wasn't sheared. But let's check again before I go too far and make sure that it is actually bent. So I'm going to put this screw in there, that'll help me see it even more, because the further away you get from the crankshaft, the bigger the mistake is going to be. If your crankshaft is being up close, you may not see it wobble too much, but this you should be able to see pretty easily. So, got the spark plug off, got that little screw in there. We're going to watch and see if there's some wobble there. Oh yeah, see that? That crankshaft is bent bad. So I'm going to have to straighten that. And the way to do that is to get, what I do is I get a little piece of plate steel. Say that's a little more than a 1/4 inch. Put it down here. And get my magnet on a stick, is what they call it, colloquially. And put it up here and string it out to where it's touching that shaft. Right in there. That's pretty good. That's touching it, I believe. And now I'm going to rotate this around and find where it's low and where it's high. So that's high. Go a little bit further. Why is that so hard to pull? I got the brake off. There we go. Okay, there's low. There's high. Oh, well. Okay, let's get this thing where it's settled down. Okay. Okay, it's going to the high point. And there's the low point right there. So the opposite of that should be the high point. And let me get my little marker so I can mark it on the shaft. So that's the low point. And when this comes around, that should be the high point. Let's check it. So there it comes. It's going up top. A little bit further. That's hard to pull. A little bit more. Come on. A little bit more. Okay, I think that's the high point. I'm going to go ahead and mark that with this little magic marker there. I'm going to check it again. Let's see. Put the cap back on there so it doesn't dry out. Go one more time now. Okay, that's low. I wonder if my little marker's going to come around now. There it comes. Alright, so that's low. And here, okay, I think I need to go a little bit more. I've already put my mark, but I'm probably going to move it. So there's low, that's low, that's, and then it comes up here. I think that, and it's hard to pull. You aren't usually that hard. Okay, there's the low point. And here it comes around. And I think that's going to be more like it. So I'm going to change my mark. So it's a little more close to the fly key groove. So it's going to be that long mark. I think it's going to be the low point. Low and high right there. Okay. All right. The next step is to get a blade adapter that you don't care about, that you don't mind pounding on, because you don't want to be hitting that crankshaft with your hammer. I'm going to get an adapter and put it on there and hit that adapter. And I use the same adapter over and over again. See if I can find it. Okay, I'm having a hard time finding that adapter, so I'm going to sign off for now. When you come back, I'll have it.